Yeah, I didn't see the radio in it. Sierra, watch out.
I would do it on dirt bike, but it's scary on the four-wheeler.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I've heard dirt bikes all my life.
Later, man. What are you trying to do?
What?
Say, what are you trying to do?
Oh, no. I don't know where to
Yeah. I don't even know how that happened. I was looking at that hill, got too anxious, I guess.
F450 power.
Oh, sheesh. I don't even know what happened. It looked like she spun a little bit. Surprised it made it up. I was surprised it made it that easy that time, for real.
Look at that root.
I know. I was getting to the root and I was like, if that bitch make me. Because I think that's where Mikey hit and went backwards, for real.
It is. You try to get over it.
I don't know. She powered up there with no problem. I just stayed committed, but I ain't gonna lie. It was definitely. I don't know. I might try it again. aimed for that side that time and tried to miss the route, and
Not me.
it actually worked out pretty good. This one's steep too, for real.
Go up this one.
That was pretty easy.